Too many similar jars? Start with Hellmann's for everyday cooking, then switch for Western availability, deeper savoriness, or a sharper vinegar kick. Choose by job, flavor strength, and container size. For most kitchens, buy Hellmann's Real Mayonnaise. Its gentle tang and sturdy texture work across sandwiches, potato salad, tuna mixtures, dips, and sauces with added seasonings. That thickness also helps mixed sauces hold together, though it won't feel as silky as a looser mayonnaise. Its restraint is the compromise. Mayo-forward dishes can taste less distinctive. Skip it if you want obvious yolk richness or a bolder savory flavor straight from the jar. West of the Rockies, choose Best Foods Real Mayonnaise 30OZ for the familiar all-purpose formula sold elsewhere under the Hellmann's label. You get a creamy body and moderate vinegar lift that suit routine sandwich and salad prep. The 30-ounce container makes sense for frequent users, but it claims more refrigerator space and can be excessive for occasional cooking. Skip it if you want strong tang, pronounced yolk richness, or more personality in simple mayo-centered dishes. When mayonnaise should stand out, buy Kewpie Mayonnaise. Its yolk-based character, assertive acidity, and deep savory flavor give burgers, tomato sandwiches, buns, and rich dips extra presence without added seasoning. That intensity is also the limitation because delicate ingredients can disappear underneath it. The squeeze bottle gets harder to store and empty near the end. Skip it if you need a quiet base for salads or recipes where mayonnaise should stay behind the other flavors. For a sharper sandwich spread, buy Duke's Real Mayonnaise. Its cider vinegar emphasis brings a noticeable punch to tomato sandwiches and fries, while staying less intense than Kewpie. It's a more expressive everyday option when neutral mayonnaise feels dull. But that acidity can dominate background rolls, and some people may notice an oily finish afterward. Skip it if you prefer softer tang or need dependable nationwide store availability, especially outside the southern U.S. Quick split. Hellmann's for flexible, everyday cooking. Best Foods for Western shoppers and frequent use. Kewpie for savory impact. Duke's for a sharper sandwich and fries profile. Before buying, check refrigerator space, container style, local availability, and whether mayonnaise should blend in or lead the dish. Start with Hellmann's if you want one adaptable jar. Choose Best Foods in its Western market, Kewpie when savoriness should lead, or Duke's for vinegar-forward tang. Links are in the description. That's the brief. Fit, trade-offs, and skip if before you buy. Subscribe for the next buying guide.